Adding a best-selling products section to your WordPress homepage is a fantastic way to boost conversions and showcase what's hot into your store. So whether you're using WooCommerce, Elementor, DV, or Gutenberg, here's how you can do it. So first, go ahead and open WordPress into your preferred browser, sign into your account, and then once you're in here, head over into the plugins tab. So in here, go ahead and search for WooCommerce. So on the results, select WooCommerce by automatic. And then from here, click on that upgrade and activate button to make sure that you have the business plan to avail the WooCommerce plugin. So this plugin powers your store and enables product shortcodes. So after that, go ahead and head over to pages and then open the page where you want to add the best-selling section, and then scroll down into the section where you want to add that best-selling section, and then go ahead and incorporate the header of that. So use the elements section and then add the best-selling section heading, and then under it you can go ahead and insert a WooCommerce shortcode with best-selling products per page equals 6 columns 3. This is place 6 best-selling products in 3 columns, and that is how you can basically add best-selling section to homepage on WordPress. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.